Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm at the Scoop Studio here at SMT Nuremberg, and I'm joined by Florian from Asys Group, a growing group as well. Thanks very much for joining me. I was chatting earlier with Jos from Totech about the collaboration there, the acquisition.
Yep.
Tell me a bit about the strategy behind that and the importance of material handling to a company like yourselves.
I mean, the material handling is one important point for the future because now the main point, this is manual right now. And we are an automation company, so we want to automate the complete material flow. And therefore also the acquisition of Totech is one piece of the puzzle. Because now we have the storage system, we are all at the beginning of the line, we are at the end of the line, and now we can combine all this together.
Yeah, that's really important. And you have AGVs, you have all kinds of other handling solutions.
We offer a whole range of products inside the material logistics, like the storage system. We have the loaders, unloaders. We have containers for component wheels handling, and also magazines, stations, and so on.
Yeah, and is that something you're seeing more and more demand of from every industry, or is it a particular market that's looking for those kind of automation solutions?
Oh, I think every industry is looking for some kind of information. I mean, of course, our focus is on the electronic industry because we are in the electronic industry, but of course, all companies search for more automation, and also besides production lines.
Yeah, and that automation needs to be intelligent automation. That's a big challenge at the moment. So as well as connecting stuff physically with conveyors, you've got to connect them intelligently. Is that part of your strategy, and how's that working?
Yeah, of course. We build up a software layer to connect all the parts of the material logistics, like the ARV for the automatic fleet management, the storage system. We connect to the MES for the complete bill of material, and so on. And with the software layer, we do the right decision for the software. So we know exactly when to get out the component wheel and bring it to the line.
Right. Yeah, so you're making those decisions better and quicker, more importantly. Yeah, more efficiency. And Totech as an acquisition, a one-off or part of a strategy to fill some spaces in the business with potentially other companies, or not something we can talk about?
No, not yet, but of course acquisitions are always a strategy of Asys, because with ECRA also we had a good partner, and also with Totech now. And now we need to move together as two companies to build up for the future.
Yeah, and you need to enhance the offering, I guess, for the customer. Florian, thanks for stopping by and chatting, and thank you very much for your time.
Thanks.